So just a few words on my company, what we are, what we do. We are a very small company, founded in 2014 by an idea of me and one of my business partners named Stefano. We are located here in Padova. Our main offices are in Ponte San Nicolò, and then we have also another office in Milan. Our main focus is to develop, it's written very, very little here, is to develop algorithms and more in general quantitative services to support trading and risk management inside the electricity markets. Okay, so it's something very, very, very specific. Basically, we develop our software, if you want to call them software, yes, they are software as a service, all is cloud-based, and we aim to support the dispatching process. What is the dispatching process? Is the selling and buying energy into the markets, as well as all the risk management part of the business activity. Business intelligence and data mining, yes, we cover also this part. Algorithmic trading is another field where we are active. And finally, advice and training. We need to tell to our customers how to use our products. Just to give you an idea, all of these blocks are different products that we are selling today to companies like Sorgenia, Enel, Est Energie, all the companies that tries to sell the energy to you. Okay, we start from services where our customers can forecast the consumptions or the production of the energy of their final customers, both in terms of short-term forecasting, today for tomorrow, as well as for the next year. Okay. From then, we move to other, I can use this one, to other different systems as the strategic bidder, which is an automatic algorithm able to optimize the trading activity into the markets. And moreover, we can cover all the part devoted to the risk management. With the risk management, I mean Monte Carlo simulations, as well as P&L calculations. P&L is profit and loss, or I don't know, cash flow analysis, settlement analysis, and blah, blah, blah. Okay. Each one of these blocks, more or less, is a separate service that we sell. All of them are linked together, and basically, all of such services are made in this way. We develop all the service in-house, okay, starting from the data fetching. We need to collect a lot of different data from different sources. For example, in order to make a good forecast of the final customers of Sorgenia, I think that you know which is Sorgenia, we need to collect each day the hourly consumptions of more or less 500,000 of families here in Italy. After that, we have to organize the data inside a database, okay? And what else? Then we have to analyze all the data. After have cleaned all the data, we have to analyze them. So data processing or artificial intelligence or also statistical analysis. Why not? And finally, we also develop the front end of our services because we have a lot of data, but we need to serve to our final customer a summary of this kind of data. So what are we searching for today? Basically, each part of our services needs a brain. So what we need from you, basically your brain. There is no part of our service that can be developed without using the brain. For example, if you have to collect and to clean a lot of consumptions, you have to understand how the source is made, how the data is made, and what is the right way to clean a consumption, which is completely different to the algorithm that we use to clean prices, for example. Okay. Moreover, if you have to collect this data and then to organize them inside a database, you have to understand how this kind of data will be used by your colleague for statistical analysis or business intelligence in order to organize this data in the right way. And also, in developing the front end, you have to understand the economical process, the economical problem of our customers in order to answer their question with a nice front end able to summarize a lot of information in just, let's say, 1 or 2 dashboards. Okay? So I want to finish, sorry for the Italian, I completely forgot that this course is in English. I want to finish with a slide where I'm showing you what are the basic skills that we need from a data scientist or a mathematician or a statistician. It's not important for me, the background. It's important that you're very interested in the field. We need a person able to write down code in Python without screaming. We need a person able to use a database, relational or non-relational. But we also need a person which is very interested in our field, in the economical part of the process. Finally, what we offer, basically, we offer the opportunity to work in a small company, that's true, but with big customers. Okay. So this is the perfect place to know both the economical part as well as the technical part, as well as a lot of different parts in developing the software. We don't have different activities or different positions inside the Phinergy to make different things. Our front-end developer is also our back-end developer, as well as our statisticians, for example. Okay. So you will be involved both in the initial part of each project. With initial part, I mean to collect the needs of our final customers. Then you will be involved in the developing part, the research part of each services, as well as in the final part, that is the production part of our software, and also in the maintenance of this tool. Okay, guys? Feel free to ask me everything you want after this presentation. Thank you very much. I am finished. My contacts are here.